Hope my video is at the correct angle this time, because it wasn't for a vlog, I was just concluding. But, what's going on, everyone? I think this is like only the second time I've ever done an unboxing thing. I forget what the first time was actually with, no, it wasn't this chair. It was with a microphone stand that currently I don't even use that microphone anymore, unfortunately. But, for this item, it is a focus tripod. If I'm correct, it does say there is a smartphone adapter, so I'm hoping it works for my phone. I haven't even opened it, well, since kind of that's what an unboxing is. So, we are gonna open it up. So I'm gonna try and start that. I thought I was gonna need a knife, but it doesn't actually look like the packaging requires a knife for it. So let's open it up and see what's actually inside. Geez, that was, oh, it's this way. Alright, so if I put that to the side, this is what the tripod itself looks like, which I guess I should. Lefty loosey, right tighty, even though, oh, it's not supposed to turn. Is it? I have no idea why this thing ain't turning. It ain't turning, it ain't pushing, but I got this up now. It's a lot smaller than my other one. Actually, it's about the same height with its legs out. Oh, is that why you weren't moving? No? No, I don't know what this thing doesn't want to like push to the side or turn. So I don't really know what that's supposed to be for. So which part's the phone mount? Or like phone clip, I should say. Because I'm assuming this is GoPro, knowing like since I've seen a couple GoPros in the past. Maybe. There's also this little thing. I don't think this is like gonna be a carrying case, I guess. Yeah, carry case. Okay. Oh, no, I don't want to play my video. Nothing inside the box. So, trying to just get an idea of where the phone part is. I'm holding something that could maybe be the phone thing. If the, oh, it does. Okay, so here's the phone adapter, which I might as well stick on because this is the only adapter I'm going to be using for this. Cool. So basically, I guess you just pull it up for your phone, and then it goes into place. It's not really a locking mechanism for it, but it looks like it'll do its part. So, yeah, and I'd say good little stand. It's a nice simplistic thing compared to the other one I have where it's like the leg extend. There's a lot of turning to it. This thing is definitely a lot simpler. The only downside I can think of is literally I have no idea how to fix that little bit. Because it's not like you can shove your finger in there. Can't really get the tip of my knife in there either to like try and see if I can hit it, but yeah. 2 tripods now. I'll put the black one down there. I'm currently using my red and gray one. As you can see by me going like this. This is basically the tripod I'm using right now. So, yeah. I know it was a quick little 5-minute video. No need to actually edit it at all, I don't think. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you to my brother who did get me this. Well, not. For people that don't know, not an actual biological brother. This is fraternity brothers. So yeah, thank you to that fraternity brother who did get me this for Secret Santa Christmas. It will definitely come in handy. And to all who else is watching, thanks for watching and have a good evening.